The sun is almost gone. You know Mama doesn't want us staying outside after sunset.
Just a few more tries. Assalamu alaikum, Marwa, Zahrah. Can you both please make dua for me that I do really well in the competition? I asked Mama and Baba too, and even Grandma and Grandpa, and they said everyone making dua for me in Tahajjud.
Your words are running faster than any runner.
We will definitely pray for your success.
Shuma shaisha, shuma shara, shuma sha, shi, shuma.
What is she even saying?
You don't understand? She's saying, and Goldie approaches the biggest obstacle. Can she do it? Yes, she can. We must focus on our studies.
I have a serious question.
Go ahead.
Is there a recipe for success in life?
Good question. Let's ask Mama about it.
Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Is there time for Tahajjud? Yes. Ya Allah, please help me do my best. Do your best. Leave the rest to Allah. Ma salama. Please pray for me, Mama. I prayed so hard. I tried so hard. So why did I still lose so badly? Ya Allah, please don't let my heart give up.
Allah always has something better planned. We just need to trust Him.
Hawwa doesn't play with us during recess anymore. Yeah, she's always practicing now.
When is your competition, Hawwa?
It's tomorrow.
You've been working so hard over the past few months with school and Quran class. May Allah give you success.
You'll do great tomorrow, inshallah.
Jazakillah khairan. Ya Allah, please help me do my best. Alhamdulillah.
And the winner for the 100 meters is Hawwa.
Jazakillah khairan.
Wait, you have another award.
Second place in triple jump is also Hawwa.
Wow, you won too many.
That was well deserved. You kept practicing with all the schoolwork and Quran madrasa. Dua combined with hard work is the recipe for success. You just have to trust Allah's timing.